How many hours do you spend each day? Think about it for a moment. How many hours per day do you actually spend on productive activities? For many, the answer is somewhere between 4 and 6 hours. Have you ever stopped to consider how much time you spend scrolling through social media, procrastinating on your studies, or getting lost in pointless conversations? That can add up to a whopping 20 to 25 hours per week. That's 100 hours per month. Now, imagine if you decided to stop wasting that precious time. If instead, you took the first job that came along and made just $5 an hour, a ridiculous salary that could be much more. That would result in $5 an hour and $500 a month. The power of investing is here. If you earned $500 a month and didn't spend it, but invested it with a return of 0.8% per month, that would be $540 in the second month, still far from $1 million. But if you made a pact with yourself not to waste your time for a long period of 30 years and managed to diligently invest that $500 a month, at the end of 30 years, which is just before you retire from the government, you will have over $1 million in your account. The hardness of discipline. Now, I know what you must be thinking. This all sounds easy, but the truth is that it is not. Giving up wasted time is a monumental challenge. If it were simple, everyone would already be on the path to wealth. Social media and other forms of entertainment are designed to addict us. And it's sad to admit, but few people can boast of having over $1 million in their accounts by the age of 50. Thinking beyond finances. So don't fall into the trap of thinking this message is just about money. Look around you and consider all aspects of your life. Health, relationships, personal goals. The persistence and consistency you apply daily can make a huge impact in the long run. My personal journey. I myself went from being an average student to studying engineering at one of the best universities in the country, all while working. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to brag. What I want to emphasize is that my success came from effort and persistence. What may seem superhuman to some is actually just a result of determination and hard work. The big secret. If you haven't realized it yet, here's one of the biggest secrets in life that you've just discovered: the sum of consistency and persistence. Now the question that remains is, what will you do with this knowledge? The choice is yours. Remember, every small step you take now could be the foundation for an extraordinary future. Don't let this opportunity slip away.